Have you ever heard about ghee? Do you want to learn how to make clarified butter at home? With an ever-growing search for healthier foods, a different kind of butter has been gaining fame, ghee butter. Did you know that to make ghee you remove all lactose and water, leaving only the fats of butter? That's why ghee is almost imperative for lactose intolerant people, or for those who follow a balanced diet. It is also used in Ayurvedic medicine and in Indian culture as a healing and rejuvenating food. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then, give us your opinion to help us know how we are contributing to you and your health. Also, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. If you like butter, ghee goes perfectly well with everything that takes butter. Do you want to learn the recipe? Watch the video to learn how. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.